Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you all had a good Halloween. Today I'm going to open some more illusions. There's a couple of things so funny. Cards are so funny, and that you get kind of in your mind, or mind anyway. You can tell me if you do this. In my mind, before something is released, I make up my mind whether or not I'm going to like it or not like it. And inevitably, some things come out and they are exactly the opposite of what I thought it was going to be like. Then there's things like Chronicles, where I think I'm going to love it and I absolutely love it. But for this, like Prism back there, I was really pretty sure that I was going to love it. And I haven't loved it. I mean, a lot of that has to do with the price too. It's very expensive and I think it's not worth the price. Illusions, I was prepared to not like it very much, but you know what? A lot of this ties into the luck that you have too. I mean, if you do very well with a product consistently, with pull really good stuff, of course you're going to like it even more. But there's a couple of things I like about illusions. Number one, I was lucky with it. Number two, I really love the base design. I like the thick stock. I love the look of the card. I don't know. I'm just a fan. I'm a fan of illusions. Luckily, the price hasn't spiked. It's still a little bit more than I would like to pay for something like this, especially at just 10 packs. But I was able to get this at a pretty good price, so here I am again. And I did get from an authorized dealer, so I did get 2 more of the red Panini packs. Yeah, so if you go back and watch the other videos of the other boxes I've opened, you'll see I've done pretty well with this stuff, and hopefully I will again. We'll see. So, enough talky. Let's see what I've got in these Panini packs. Marcus Peters and Jalen Samuels autograph. That's nice. On card, you can see it's stamped here. Panini Authentic Autograph. That's a nice pull from one of these packs. It is not numbered. This is personal edition. Rookie Premier. Sweet. And our second one, which is also a thin pack, if I can open it without bending the card, has Adam Thielen and a Ronald Jones, number 2, I don't know if you can see it in that light, 99. So not bad. An autograph and a decent rookie. So good start with the red packs. There are 2 autos, 2 mem, and 1 rookie jersey autograph, which equals a lot of hits. This is like right now, it's like $70 cheaper than Prism, and you come out with 2 more hits. So yeah, I'm definitely a bigger fan of Illusions than I am Prism. I've got to watch some more Prism breaks, so surely somebody's getting something out of there, but I just did not do well with it. And do not plan to buy more at the moment unless the price really drops. We're going to start off with a Michael Gallup rookie, and then a Chubb and Suggs acetate. This is a parallel version to 149, matching numbers. Fountain and Hines. This is something here. It is a dual jersey, dual patches to 100. Really nice pieces of material there. Really good looking card. Yeah, I love the looks of this stuff. Then we got a Baker Mayfield rookie. Off to a really good start with this first pack. And Austin Hooper wraps it up. So strong pack 1. That was another problem I had with Prism. I didn't even get many of the good base rookies. To me, that was kind of a tough pill to swallow. Tyreek Hill. Illusionist Derek Carr. Making sure this is not a parallel version. Ronald Jones. This is a patch autograph to 100. So today is a Ronald Jones type of day. This is the blue version. Blue parallel. Jaleel Scott rookie, and Bradley Chubb rookie. So that's 2 hits already. Evan Ingram, a Brett Favre illusionist. DeMarcus Lawrence to 499 gold parallel. Alex Collins, and a Traquan Smith rookie card. Lauletta rookie. Fountain rookie. Cootie rookie gold to 499. Valdez Scantling rookie. So 4 rookies in this one pack? And then Aaron Donald. Definitely, I think, getting more rookies in this box than I have in the others. That's a lot. Alright, DeMarcus Lawrence. And then a Living Legends Manning acetate. Not numbered. Kirk Cousins blue to 249. Jarrett McKinnon and Hayden Hurst rookie card. Jordy Nelson. Jerry Rice illusionist parallel to 299. Derrick Henry green to 99. Roethlisberger and another Ronald Jones Jr. Ronald Jones the second. Could call him Junior. All right, Thielen. A Eric Berry clear shots. Mike Williams red to 199. Frank Gore and Mahomes. We're down to the last. We got 3 packs and then our encased card. This one feels thick. Let's hold on to that one. I think that's a jersey of some sort. Cootie rookie. Michael Thomas Mystique. Anthony Miller rookie gold to 499. Royce Freeman rookie and Derek Carr. Ezekiel Elliott, Julio Jones, Mystique. A Marlon Humphrey autograph, 250. Good looking card there. Christian Kirk rookie and Gesicki rookie. This I think is gonna be, yeah, it's a thick, gonna be a jersey or patch. Hopefully a patch. Alright, Cortland Sutton rookie. Deshaun Watson. It is a Dak Prescott. Just a plain spotlight jersey blue to 100. I think that's the second Dak jersey I've pulled out of Illusions, if I remember correctly. So it's a pretty good player to get if you're just going to get a plain jersey card. Sam Bradford and McCaffrey. And, drum roll, our last card is, it's going to be Cortland Sutton. Is it? It is an autograph. Rookie endorsements red. Well, I don't know if that's red. It may just be the team color. So there's no numbering on it. So scratch that red. It's probably just, well, it is red ink though. So I don't know. Cool. Again, I mean, I leave this break feeling very satisfied with what I paid for the box and what I, received in return. So, I don't know. I like Illusions. What do you guys think? Has it been good to you too? Or is it just, wait, hang on, there's numbering there. I just didn't see it. It is numbered, it is red, and it's numbered out of 35, so it's a super short print, even better. I almost didn't see it. It was kind of hidden there. So again, yeah, I'm a fan. Illusions has sold me. Definitely like it. Definitely better than Prism at the price. There's a couple other things I'd like to go back and get as the year winds down. Maybe a couple of other things from 2017. I did go back and do the Elite from 17, and that burnt me pretty bad. So let me know what you think I should go back and get from 18 and 17, football-wise anyways. Because I definitely want to get a few more things before the year wraps up. Of course, I'll pick up some of the new releases too, but the slate of what's coming out in the next 2 months it's not too heavy, so that'll allow me a little bit of a budget to go back and get some of the stuff that I really enjoyed opening. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I will be back with my next break soon.